Hello everyone, and I'm back again, and I'm with my awkward sister. Yes, my God, so embarrassing. Okay. Anyways, today
Mag-unbox kami na.
Nomi, kasi wala kaming magawa sa buhay.
Yes.
She's 20 and I'm 16. And today, we're gonna open a Nomi.
Nomi.
Nomi. So, Nomi. Oh, Nomi. Nomi. Oh my God! That's Nomi.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
So, before we get started to the video, she keeps saying, let's go, because she's just so excited. But me, let's do a little introduction to the intro.
Jump scare.
Okay, so basically, yes, I haven't posted in a while again. My latest post was usually Snow White or Rapunzel limited edition, and yes, I'm back again, and we're going to unbox something again. That is, this time it's going to be ano, and maybe in my next video, me and Manja gonna play Roblox, but I don't really know because she's really busy all the time. But yeah, we're gonna open a Nomi and pause the video.
Cut,
Pause.
pause.
Oh hell, let's do it. Here it is.
Tara!
Yes, the Nomi. And yes, it's very big because I ordered and my parents paid. And I bought the 6-pack. I think I forgot the line, but it's probably version 6. And we bought it, and now we're gonna open it. Now, off to open. Let's open it.
Wait. Di ba po? Nag-i-English.
Kasi nga gusto ko proper. Okay.
Wait lang.
Hala, ito na. Oh my God, ang ganda niya.
Tulungan mo naman ako.
Kasi yung scissors, ito na siya.
Wait lang.
Wow! Wow!
Okay, ilabas mo. Labas mo.
Ta-da! Oh my God, it's only a little bit and the box is way huge.
Okay mo yan.
What a shame. No,
Oh, you get it because I will take the box.
Okay, let's get it. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Ah!
Oh, that was very hard. And to the people who keep saying like we don't barely do anything in life, we do because it's very hard. Yeah. Now, let's open it. Shall we, sis?
Yes, we
Fine, let's
shall.
open it.
Wait.
Oh hell no. Oh hell. Alright, the box just so super duper huge. And you may ask, is your sister gonna have one if she wants to, but I'll probably be happy if I
Oh my God, what is that?
Nah, just kidding. She's probably gonna get one.
Pag may pink.
Yeah, pag may pink. And yeah, we are Filipino. Filipino blood and Filipino soul. We're Filipino. We're proud to be Filipino.
Ay, wow! You have a free
Yeah.
acrylic charms.
Oh my God, guys, we have a freebie. Thank you for the seller. What she said.
My letter.
There's a letter. Hello, dear. That's all.
Oh.
Oh my God,
Ay,
it's
naka-plastic
here.
ba?
It's here. It's so pretty. I really want the sheep.
Gusto ko to. I want this.
Hi guys, before we open this, let's open the freebie first because
Okay.
why not?
Open.
Let's open it.
Aray. Ang cute!
Oh, cute! What is that?
It's a charm.
The charm? Like Lucky Charm? Like Lucky Charm? Never mind. You know what? Let's take this.
Cutie.
It's a cute charm. And now it's time to open the note. Open it.
I-set up muna namin, then we'll be back.
Yes, this is it.
Come!
It's so beautiful. Oh my god, we finally opened it. We're just messy creators. Now let's time to open it. One by one. Okay, let's open
Wait
it.
lang. Ito, oh. Pakita mo.
Alright. So my sister asked me to show all this and I can't see their name because I'm looking at the I can't swear. I'm looking at the camera and we can see this is Solace, Aurora, Morpheus, Neptune, Reverie, and Eclipse. And we have the secret. Hopefully we get the secret. It's probably gonna be me.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh,
since
I
I'm
want
so
the secret,
excited.
then I also want
Reverie,
Reverie, and then Morpheus, and then
Aurora.
Solace.
I really want Aurora.
Okay, ikaw muna.
You know what? Let's open two.
Hindi, ikaw muna, tapos ako sunod.
Alright. Oh, keep this.
Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Ay, wait
guys.
lang, igilid lang natin siya dito.
Gid mo na namin kasi nga, why not? You know, why not?
Ganun ka.
You're an idiot. Hopefully, this video goes up because I'm posting it on TikTok too.
Okay.
Let's open it. Char.
Pakita mo muna sa kanila.
What the? Oh, never mind. Oh, I'm not so bad at this.
Okay, wait. I'll help.
It's...
Ito muna. Ito muna. Wait lang, wala pa. Akin na.
We're gonna figure out.
Wag mo na yung parang may...
Let's not see the...
Wait lang.
Okay,
Cut mo na lang, ah. Ayan, gilid muna natin.
Yes, gilid.
Ito, boy, guard!
Okay, we have one, two. We have five more. Okay, I'll open
Wait
it.
lang, i-cut mo na lang. Kasi ako magka-cut, tapos ipakita mo sa camera kung sino na ko.
I'm so excited. I wish we get something more secret than a secret. What? You know?
Pakita mo. Huwag mo na kayo pakita. Huwag mo pakita. Sino kayo?
Okay, let's see.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
It's a pink one. Oh my god! So she has a belly.
Reverie!
Is it Reverie?
Is it Reverie?
It's Reverie.
Let me see.
It's Reverie.
Yes! It's Reverie.
Yeah, it's
so
Reverie.
cute.
It's so pretty.
Oh, ikaw
But
mag-flex.
since she loves it, I'm gonna keep it. This is Reverie, and this is her 3, you know what, 1, 2, and 3 colored eyes. This one is so pretty. Never mind, it's pure black. The reflection is just making it look something. But here's the 3 eyes. Gorgeous.
Pakita mo yung ears.
Her ears are embroidered. It's like a butterfly, you know. Butterfly. Ooh.
Oh, cute!
Yeah.
Ito yung
Her
tummy.
tummy, her chan.
Yay! Tingnan natin. Ayan na yung card.
Yes, it's Reverie.
Reverie!
And your and a keychain. You know what? You can keep it.
Later. Okay, let's put it back.
Let's put her back in her box again.
Ito muna. Later na tayo mag-plastic.
Reverie. We got Reverie. With a
Yay!
referee.
Wait lang, Wait lang, yung puso ko to.
Oh yeah, well, pasok because we are not hypocrites that just do the thing.
O, balik mo dito. Ang mga nabuksan na.
Alright. Oh my god, my
Okay,
blondie
next.
locks.
Next!
Blondie locks. Yes, next.
Next!
Okay, next. Hopefully we get the secret. Where's the open?
Ito.
Where? I thought I found it. That was so much satisfying than I thought. Oh my god, hopefully we don't get the double. I don't like the doubles.
Okay.
Okay, time to... Oh my god! We found like idiots.
Manifesting
Secret, I
Aurora
really want
or
secret.
the secret.
I really want a secret.
Okay.
Wait, last. I just wanna look. Okay. Here's the secret. We don't know it yet, but here's the secret. And here's Aurora. My sister gets Aurora, and I get the secret. And that's all.
Yan.
Alright. I'm so excited. It's actually really fun. I love it a lot. I love like to film in this.
Okay, Ian, close eyes. Wait lang. Hindi ko pa mabuksan.
I'm so excited.
Ayan, close eyes.
And then you can see it in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, wait lang.
Eclipse! We got Eclipse! I can guess
Is it
Eclipse.
Eclipse?
Yeah, it's Eclipse.
Yes, it's Eclipse.
Eclipse! I love Eclipse! She's black. She's gorgeous. She has wings. She has wings. Embroidered.
Bat siya, bat.
Are you sure?
She's a bat.
Bat? I think it's
Yes,
open.
we
Never
can
mind.
do
That's
it.
it.
Oh, she's a bat.
A bat. A bat?
Her
Okay.
ears, bat ears.
Oh my god, her eyes are so mataray. No, let's change. Oh, there you go. Now we're back to bubbly. Bubbly little. Never mind. We got Eclipse. And
So cute.
She's
Look at
so
her tiny
beautiful.
wings.
the tiny wings. I love it. I love it so much. And do you want to keep her or no?
No, if you love her, we'll give it to you.
I'll keep her. And she'll keep Reverie. Because she loves pink.
I want a secret.
Me
And then
too.
Aurora. Or
I really want
Morpheus.
Aurora and Soleil. Or even Morpheus. No, I want all of them. Because why not call it all if you guys have all, right? No doubt. And again, we have her card, and this is Eclipse. Yeah, Eclipse. Her name is Eclipse.
Cute.
Her name is Eclipse.
Okay.
So loud. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I really wish we don't get a double because why not?
Next.
Okay. I think. Wait.
Manifesting no double.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna
Wait,
head
wait,
back
wait,
to the
wait,
box. Okay. Now we're gonna close our eyes and then we're gonna pick. Hopefully what we pick is the secret. If we don't get a secret then okay, I don't care.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait lang. Ano ba kuhin natin?
Ewan ko sa'yo. Hindi lang ako ng random.
Okay, let's look at this.
Yun ang next na bubuksan.
Okay.
Oh, ikaw na muna ulit.
So since I gained my sister's, I don't know what the word is, but ito na, open na natin kasi nga, why not, diba? Why not? What do you want? Gano'n ka po?
Ikaw na.
Ah, sige. Again, I'm gonna open, and it's just gonna open like the plastic thing. Oh, okay, I love that. Hopefully I get the secret. I really want to get the secret. I want to know how she looks. I haven't looked at her yet. I did look at videos of what this looks, but I haven't looked at or remember how the secret looks. And now, I'm just gonna open it. Secret! Please be secret because it's sacred. Sacred! We got hopefully not a double. Please, I don't want to get Eclipse or Reverie again.
Okay, close eyes.
3,
Tayo muna.
2, 1.
Okay.
Oh my god, we got. Oh, what's your name again? Nepga?
Nepent.
We got
Nepent.
Nepent.
Oh!
So far, so good. We haven't gotten a double yet. I'm so happy.
Cute.
Your ears are so
Also-
fluffy.
Oh, yung cute. Look, it looks like a butterfly wing.
Yes.
Embroidered. Not
And-
embroidered.
And she'll look at her.
Look at her eyes.
Look at her bum.
Her eyes.
I think dummies are just babies in jumpsuits, probably.
It's so cute.
Okay, we got Nepta. I'm so glad we got Nepta because I love them.
Okay, pakita
And we
mo
have
yung
3 more boxes to go, and hopefully one of them contains the secret. Yeah, we got Nepta.
Nepent.
Nepenta.
Nepent.
Nepenta.
I don't know how
Let's
to
call her
pronounce
Nepenta.
it.
Yeah, okay. I'm excited for more.
Okay, next is the box I picked.
Yeah, we're gonna open the box. Okay, this time Ate, you open that and then I'll open the plastic.
Okay. Ay.
Oh my god.
I don't know
It's
how
okay,
to
it's
open
okay.
it right.
It's
I
okay.
ruined it.
It's okay.
Okay, you open the plastic.
The fact that we don't normally just speak English IRL and we do it in camera is fun. Hopefully we don't get a double. I think it's a sheep. I think it's Aurora.
I hope
I think it's
so.
Aurora. I think it's Aurora.
Okay, go.
And not Eclipse.
Ay. Here.
Alright, we're gonna open it.
Tandahan.
I wanna be done because I'm scared to
Okay,
break
tama na. Okay. Close eyes, close eyes.
Okay, guys, you can see it. Okay, done. And now in 3, 2, 1. Aurora! Okay, we got
Is it Aurora?
Yes, Aurora.
Is it Aurora?
Yes, it's Aurora.
Ay, wow!
Ang ganda ni Aurora. Puti-puti.
Look! Parang si Cloud.
Yeah.
Like our cat.
Yeah, I have a cat named Cloud, and she's very sassy. Hopefully Aurora's not. Oh wait, I think she's like the opposite of Eclipse.
Flex mo.
I think she's the opposite of Eclipse because Eclipse is white and she's like the moon, and then Eclipse is the moon. I think she's the sun, Eclipse is the moon. Because her floppy wings and then her cute ears with her
Aurora.
like rolling eyes as usual with a Nomi, and then her tummy. Oh, they're so beautiful. I love them. Smells like nothing.
Okay, pick your box.
Okay, I think we
Oh,
have.
ganda ng details sa sa face.
I picked this one. Hopefully we have the secret. We have opened 4 now and we have 2 left. Hopefully we get a secret or else I'm gonna cry. Joke lang. Alright guys, let's open this piece of crap chicken. Not that was satisfying. Oh. Oopsie. Okay. I think it's something different.
I hope so. Maybe
I
it's
hope-
a double.
I don't want a double. Hopefully it's not a double. Please,
What if
Lord.
it's a double?
Then you're gonna keep it.
Okay. What can I
I'm
open?
gonna keep Reverie in the
It's
double.
open na here. Sige, I'll open it.
What is this? What is it? Oh,
Okay. Close eyes.
in 3, 2, 1. I think we
Is
got the
it-
boo. I think you got
It's
Soleil. You guys, one more, and I'm gonna get.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
It's just beautiful.
Sige, go. Flex
She's
mo.
so pretty. I love blue, but oh my god, she's just
Ang cute.
cotton candy, pink and
So
blue. Yeah, she's Soleil. Soulless joke.
Solas, Soleil.
Soleil. Let's see. Okay, so far we don't have a double, and now we have 1 box left, and hopefully my sister gets the secret.
Maybe it's Morpheus or a secret.
I think
Or
it's
a
one of
double.
those. Or I hope I really don't want a double. Hopefully it's a
It's
secret.
so cute. So cute.
It's Soleil. She's just getting so giggin. Ate, your
Get the
last
last
box. For my sister.
Wait. I'll keep them here.
Okay. Sorry for our messy video. We're just so happy to have one of this because
Last
having got
and last but not the least. Tama?
yeah, last but not the least because hopefully we get double
Morpheus or
or
a
a
secret.
secret.
Yay!
This be a secret. Please be a secret.
This is
Oh
a
my-
secret, I think.
I really think it's Morpheus or a double. Hopefully not a double. I really want a secret. Like a secret. Oh please, not a secret. Wait, what does the secret look? It has a weird shape. That is weird.
Sana si Morpheus.
I think it's Morpheus because it has like a big thing.
Morpheus.
Open it with this.
Or ikaw mag-open. Ikaw.
Sige, I'm gonna open it. And hopefully it's secret! Okay. I'm just so nervous.
Okay na,
Hopefully
okay na,
it's not
okay
a
na.
double.
Okay na, okay na.
Okay, so you can see it? Alright. And now in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's Morpheus. Okay, thank God we don't get a double. Okay.
Oh my gosh, Iya!
Morpheus.
It's Morpheus. Ang cute! Can I get Morpheus?
Sure, and get
And
Morpheus.
then, ano?
Reverie. That's all.
Yay!
Yes.
Or do you
Okay.
like her?
No.
Sino?
Not in a bad way, okay?
Sino gusto mo?
I really like Aurora. I like, what's her name again? Thunder and Eclipse.
Okay. Solace. You don't like Solace?
I love Solace. I can keep her too.
Ah, it's so cute! Bagay ito sa room ko.
Sige na. You can keep Reverie and Morpheus.
1, 2, 3. It's so cute. Look at the face. It's so cute.
Yeah.
And then look at her ears.
Yeah.
The design, the detail.
Oh, I got so worried. I was like, did we film or did we turn on the camera? I was like, okay, we did.
Morpheus!
Yes. Thank God we didn't get a double, and that's what matters the most.
Okay, pakita na rin lahat na nakuha natin.
Yeah, and we're gonna pick who we really want. And here we got Aurora, Mayan.
Wait, sige, wag mo. Una muna natin i-ano.
Hello.
Play. Yay!
Yay! Okay, guys, we got everyone except the secret. Okay. Yeah, I'm so happy we got everyone.
Walang double!
Yes, wala tayong double, and if you like and subscribe, we may give you one to you. JK! It's only ours. Ours only. No forgiveness. Ano daw?
This is Aurora.
This is Eclipse.
This is Solace.
This is Reverie.
This is Morpheus.
And this is Serenidad.
Nepenthe?
Nepenthe.
Nepenthe? I don't know.
Alright. Anyways, guys, if you enjoy our video, make sure to click that subscribe button and the like button for free because why not? You know, if you like our video, me and my sister sometimes will take a video with my sister. Sometimes we'll only take a video with me because why not? Oh, clips. Yeah. And lastly, thank you for watching, and hopefully I can see you guys in the next video. And hopefully this video catches your attention, and that's all. Goodbye, guys. Say goodbye.
Bye!
Goodbye.